morning, students. Let's start our new chapter, addition of large numbers. Addition gives sum or total of any number. Okay, this is more than the given number. Fine. In the previous classes, you have learned how to add 3 or 4 digit numbers. Now let us see how to add 4 or 5 or more than 6 digit number. Okay students, means how to add 5, 6, 7 digit numbers. Okay. To add in easy way, it is better to place the numbers according to place value. Okay, let's see how. In addition, there are 2 rules. In addition, we are having 2 rules. Okay, the first rule is addition without regrouping. It is also called, okay, addition without carrying. Okay, one more rule. The second rule is addition with regrouping. It is also called addition with carry. Okay, so let's understand these 2 rules one by one. Okay, so our first rule is addition without regrouping. Okay, so first do this. I am taking one example to understand this rule. Okay. If this is the example, okay, addition without regrouping means there is no carry. Fine. How? First of all, I have arranged this 2 number according to the place value. So tell me, what is the place value for 7? Place value for 7 is ones place. Okay. For tens, for 2 tens place. This is 100 place, 1000 place and 10,000 place. Okay. First of all, you have to arrange the number by the place value. Okay. In addition, 2 keywords are there. The first keyword is addends. Okay. And the second one is sum. Okay. First of all, understand these 2 keywords. What is addends and what is sum? Okay, means this 2 number is given and we have to add. Okay, so the number being added, that number is called addends. Okay, so you can write the define part also for this. This is the keyword. You can write this also. Okay. Addends, the numbers being added. This kind of means the number being added, that is what addends, and the result after addition The result is called sum. Okay, means after addition whatever you will get the result, that is called sum. Okay, so in this example, which one is added and what is the sum? These two numbers, like both the number, this number and this number, these two numbers, what? Addends. Okay, and we will get the answer, and whatever we will get the answer, that is what? Your sum. Okay, understood? These two keyword, addends and sum. Addends are the numbers being added, that numbers are addends. And after that, sum, the result after addition which you will get, that is what? Sum. Fine. So let's add this. For addition, you have to proceed from the right side. Every time you have to start addition from the right side. Okay. So start from this ones place. From right side, your first place is ones place. Start addition. Okay. 7 plus 2. What you will get? 9. Okay. 2 plus 5. 7. 6 plus 3. 9. 6 plus 2. 8. And 5 plus 1. 6. Okay, students. So this is your result after addition. So what is this? This is what? Sum. Understood? Till here, addition without regrouping. Here you are not having any carry. And the two keywords added. Is it clear? Fine. Now let's take one more example. When arrangement you have to do, only numbers are given. Okay. Okay, this is your number. Arrangement is not given. You have to arrange this. Fine. So how you will arrange? I have told you addition will be more easier when you will arrange the numbers according to the place value. Okay. So do you know the place value system? How you will read? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, like that. So in this number, the highest place is lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. In this number, 10,000. Okay. So you have to arrange the place value according till lakh. Okay. Because in this two number, you are having the highest place lakh. Okay. So arrange. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. According to the place value, you will put the digit. Fine. So at ones place, I am going to arrange this number first. So according to the place value, at ones place, which number? 5. So you will write 5. Tens place 4. 100 place 1. 1000 place 3. 10,000 place 5. And lakh place 2. Okay. Can you arrange like this? I hope that you can arrange. Now let's arrange this number also. At ones place 3. Right below the ones place. At tens place 0. At 100 place 2. At 1000 place 3. At 10,000 place, let's take here 4. Because we are doing regrouping. So at 10,000 plus 4. Fine. Now arrangement is done. What you will do here? Find the sum. That you know. Start addition. 5 plus 3, I have told you already that start addition from the right side, and you rightmost, the first one place is ones place, so start from the ones place. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 0, when you will add any number with in 0, means when you will add 0 in any number, you will get the number itself. This is also the property. We will discuss the property in our next video tutorial. Okay. So when you will add 0 in any number, you will get the same number. So 4 plus 0, 4. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 5 plus 4, 9. And 2. And here nothing. So you can assume 0. 2 plus 0, again 2. What is this? This is your sum. No need to write every time sum. I am only writing every time to make you understand. Okay, students? So this is your sum. Okay, now let's start our second rule, that is what? Addition with regrouping. The second rule is addition with regrouping. Okay, and it is also called addition with carrying. Okay, fine. Let's take one example for this. Before you will take example, I am giving you one short explanation for this with this small example. Like if at ones place you are having, means you are having 3 numbers, and at ones place in first number you are having 4 ones. Okay, in the second number you are having 2 ones. Okay, and in the third number you are having 6 ones. So according to the rule, what you will add? What you will do? You will add all ones place digit. Okay, so add first. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 12. Okay, what are you getting? 12 ones. Fine, means 10 ones plus 2 ones. You can break like this. 2 ones means 10 multiplied by 1, that is what? 10, and plus 2 ones. So what you will do here? 2 you will write under the ones place, and this 10 will carry in tens place. Okay, you have to do like this. 2 will be under the ones place, and after that this 10 will be carry, and this is how regrouping is done. Okay, and this method is called regrouping. Okay, when you will do like this. Students, let's take one example. You can understand in a better way. Okay, I am taking one example, but you have to arrange. We will arrange here and then we will add. Okay. So we are having this number. Okay. And we have to add. What I have told you, first of all, you will arrange these two numbers according to the place value. Okay. So first read ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. In this number, ones, tens, hundred, 10,000, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Okay. So the highest place is what? In this number, lakh. So till lakh place you will arrange. So first ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place and lakh place. Okay. Arrange the number. First number I am going to arrange. Okay. At ones place, in the first number 7 is there. So write 7 under the ones place. Now 6 at tens place, 5 at 100 place, 9 at 1000 place and 6 at 10,000 place. Now 3 as lakh place. Fine. Now let's arrange this number also. For this number at ones place you are having 2. So write 2. Now tens place 5. Now 7. Now 5. Now at 10,000 place 9. Okay students, now let's add this. Now let's add 7 plus 2, 9. Now 6 plus 5, you will get 11. Okay. So in 11, you cannot write here directly. Okay. So the right side digit, you will write here just below the number. Okay. And the left side digit, you will take carry. Okay students. So in 11, this right side one I have taken here and this one is carry. Okay. Now let's add 100 place number 5 plus 7. It is what? 12. And after adding carry, this is your carry. So 7 plus 5, 12 plus 1, 13. So can you write 13 directly? No. The right side number, the right side digit is 3. You will write 3 under the 100 place and this left side digit is carry at 1000 place. Okay. Now let's add 1000 place. 9 plus 5, 14. And 14 plus 1, 15. Again, can you write 15 directly? No. This number, the digit 5, write under the 1000 place and this left side digit you will take carry. Okay. Now let's add 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is 15 plus 1 carry. It is 16. So 16, 6 will be under the 10,000 place. Okay. And 1 will be your carry. Okay. Now here at lakh place 3 and nothing is here. So you will add carry in 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay students. I hope that till here you have understood. Now example, when 3 or means 2 or more numbers are given and you have to add. Okay. These are the numbers. Okay students, you have to arrange this according to place value and then you will add. So how? Firstly, arrange according to the place value. Okay. So this is your largest number in this 3 number. How? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. So you are having the highest place, lakh. So arrange. First write the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay. And then we will write, then we will arrange all the number one by one. I am going to arrange the first number. Okay. So at ones place, what are you having? 7. At tens, 5. At 100, 7. At 1000, 2. at 10,000 5, and at lakh 9. Okay. Now in the next second number, at ones place, every time you have to start from the ones place. Don't start from the largest place in arrangement. Okay students, when you are arranging the number, first of all you have to start with your ones place. Okay, I'm telling you every time this thing. And start this by 7 because 7 is your ones place. So at ones place 7, at tens place 5, at 100 place 9, at 1000 place 6. Okay, come to the next number. At ones place 7. Every number you are having at ones place 7. Okay. Now at tens place 6. At 100 place 5. At 1000 place 9. At 10,000 place 0. And at lakh place 1. Okay. So you can see here in this second number you are having gap. So you can write to ignore the confusion, you can write here 0. Okay? Fine. And if you don't want to write 0, then it is also fine. Students, you can write 0. It is up to you. Now, add this. How we will add? From the right side. Now add this. 7 plus 7 plus 7. Okay. So, how you will add 3 numbers? First, add 2 and then after that, the sum you will get, and in that sum, you will add this third number. Okay. So, I am adding it. 7 plus 7, 14, and 14 plus 7, 21. Okay. So, in 21, can you write 21 directly here? No. According to rule, by regrouping, you will write only this right side number. Right side you are having 1. So write here 1. And this 2 will be carried. Okay? Okay? Now add this. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. And 16 plus 2, 18. 18. Can you write 18 directly? No. 8 will be here and 1 will carry. Okay. Now add this. 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 will be 16. And 16 plus 5. Tell me 21. 21 plus 1, 22. So 22. This 2 will be under the 100 place and 1, this left side 2 will be carry. Okay students. Now add again 2 plus 6, 8 and 8 plus 9, 17 and 17 plus 2, 19. 19, 9 will be here and 1 will be carry over. Okay students. Now let's add this 10,000 plus 5 plus 0 plus 0. It will 5 and add this carry will become 6. Here is no carry 0, 9 and 9 plus 1, 10. After this number, after this lakh place, you are not having any place. So, for now, you can write directly whatever your answer is coming. Okay. So, 9 plus, you will add large numbers. Okay. In the next video tutorial, we will understand some property. We will discuss about some properties of addition, and after that some story songs related to addition. We will do. Fine. So till then, take care. Bye-bye.